Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so we've been talking about the 9-day. That's your blue line. We'll talk about the 200-day, purple line. You can see the 9-day has held up as resistance overnight, put in a high at 30.37. Had a lot of trouble getting through 3,000 last night. So you had an initial little pop-up. They sold that pretty hard. And then just a lot of attempts to get through 95 to 3,000. So pretty early on in the night, what I told my subscribers was, look, there's no long above 3,000. And we shorted it a little bit. And that are, not in this time zone, they caught a really nice short down. 15 is the low. It's hanging around, it's bounced. We put that in. We put the 15 low in about 10 minutes ago. So it's still just kind of falling out of bed. You see the lower band at 28.74. You see the hourly mid band, and you see the 9-day. Monthly pivot, 200-day exponential, pre-FOMC price, weekly pivot. It's all jammed up here still, okay? And we fought over it for a few days, but if what's happening now is that on this rejection of monthly pivot yesterday, moved to 82 quarter, if on this rejection of monthly pivot things are sealing off, lower highs and lower lows, then, we very likely test lower band today, and if we put in a strong close, then we're staring at the Friday low down there at 28.53. In the volatility scheme of things right now, that's not really that far away. We've got the jobs report this morning, 8:30. So in about 25 minutes, that's gonna that's gonna matter, and a lot of this news flow really just remains heavy. And it's going to impact the tape. Until there are more knowns than unknowns as far as the economic impact of everything that's going on in the world, it's going to weigh on the tape, plain and simple. So, but for traders, it's been another great week. So as we head into the jobs report, I'm interested as to what 29.40 to 29.50 looks like on a test. You've got volume weighted average price way up at 29.72, and you can see the hourly mid band up there at 29.82. If the bulls try to get something going, if they do a big spike to the upside off of jobs, those are a couple of areas that 41, 72, 86 are going to be key. On a breakdown, 2,900. 28.74, 28.53. All right. Have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Look, this weekend, next Monday, if you trade this stuff, it is a great day for you to just have a new beginning. Come in, come check out the chat room, come trade with us. We have a lot of trials in right now. We're getting a lot of positive feedback from that, and it's a great place to trade. And it's not all about me. It's about a lot of the people in there. And we've created an environment where you can learn how to do this stuff and do it effectively and, ask questions in a place where you're not going to, it's great. So if this is what you want to do or you're thinking about doing, come on in and see if this is right for you. Love to meet you. Take care. Trade them well. Talk Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.